In today's guide, I am going to walk you through exactly how to update Steam to the latest version. Keeping your Steam client up to date is absolutely essential for anyone who takes PC gaming seriously. Not only do updates bring you the newest features and user interface improvements, but they also provide critical security patches and performance optimizations that ensure your games run as smoothly as possible. Many times, if you are experiencing crashes, slow download speeds, or connectivity issues with your friends list, it is simply because your client is running on an outdated build. While Steam usually attempts to update itself automatically upon launch, there are many instances where it might miss a critical patch or stay stuck on an older version due to background processes. That is why knowing how to manually trigger the update check is a vital skill for every gamer. If this video helps you get back into your favorite games faster, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful tech tips just like this one. Alright, let's get started with the process. First, ensure that you have the Steam application open on your desktop. You want to make sure you are logged into your account and looking at the main dashboard. Look towards the very top left corner of the application window. You will see the word Steam in the top menu bar right next to View, Friends, Games, and Help. Click on that Steam button to open up a nested drop-down menu. From this list of options, you want to look specifically for the one that says Check for Steam Client Updates. When you click this, Steam will reach out to its global servers to compare your local version with the most recent build available. If your software is already current, you will see a small pop-up window that informs you that your Steam client is already up to date. However, if there is a new version available, Steam will immediately begin the process. You will see a progress bar indicating that it is downloading the necessary files. This might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. Once the download reaches 100%, Steam will prepare the installation. At this point, you will typically see a prompt or a button that says Restart Steam. This is a critical step because the application cannot swap out core system files while they are currently in use. Go ahead and click that restart button. The application will close itself down completely and you might see a small extracting package window appear on your screen. This is perfectly normal and indicates that the new files are being placed into the Steam directory. After a few moments, the login window will reappear or the client will boot straight back to your library. At this stage, your update is complete. To double check, you can simply repeat the process one more time by going to Steam and clicking Check for Steam Client Updates again just to see that confirmation message. It is a good habit to do this at least once a week, especially if you're waiting for a new game release or a major seasonal sale, as Valve often pushes updates right before these big events. Keeping your client fresh ensures that the Steam overlay works correctly in-game and that your cloud saves are syncing without any errors. If you ever find that the update check is failing, make sure your firewall isn't blocking Steam's access to the internet. But in most cases, this process is seamless and fast, and that is really all there is to it. You have now successfully updated your Steam client to the latest version and ensured your gaming environment is optimized and secure. If you found this walkthrough helpful and it saved you some time, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep making these guides for the community. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.